Thank you, boyfriend, for the birthday gift. Hindi ko expect, Pedro. Iyak ako kasi hindi Pedro yung gift ko sa'yo.
OA ka.
I-unbox ko na siya. Unahin ko yung maliit. Alam ko magkakape tayo. As in, hindi ako pumasok ng Pedro ever. So I don't know what to expect. Oh my God. Wallet ba to? It looks like a wallet. Oh my God, it's a wallet. Thank you. Leather ba to?
Yeah, that's genuine leather.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
Nakakaya. May card holder pa.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I like it. I love it.
Alam ko naman na very old school ka. Gusto mo na mga ganyang wallet.
Yes, and black. Super love it. The bigger thing.
Akala mo kasi lagi ikaw magaling sa surprise eh.
Oh my God. So meron siya.
Actually, may ganyan.
Oh my God, I know. I love it kasi naka-blank siya. Tapos may eyeglass. Kamukha mo kasi nag-eyeglass ka. Tapos ang pangalan niya, Mastermind. Eh, master yung tawag ko siya.
Ay, hindi ko in-expect yan.
Thank you. I love you. Oh my
Love you
God.
too.
Oh my God, may dust bag.
Feeling ko bagay sa personality mo yung bag na lang.
It's black. I love it.
Hindi ko sure kung nasa mo.
Girl, nasend ko sa'yo to and I love it. Yung sinend ko sa'yo gray. But I love it kasi it's black. For sure, genuine leather na naman to.
Yeah, it's genuine leather.
Oh my God, gumastos ka talaga.
Birthday gift yan, tsaka Christmas gift sa'yo.
Kilig ako. I really love it. Promise.